Today we are looking at BNBCalc. BNBCalc is a great system to basically keep track of all the properties you're running a deal analysis on. It's basically to replace a Excel spreadsheet, what you would use in the past, but this is a great place when you're on the fly and trying to do a ton of properties at once to do it all. And then if you want to do a more in-depth still, you can go to that spreadsheet. They might end up doing a spreadsheet export at some point, but I don't think they're there yet. But anyway, this is a great place to do a lot of things quickly. So as you can see, we've run 110 properties through our deal analysis as we're doing searches for different properties in different areas. At a glance, it shows you beds, baths, cash on cash return, purchase price, cash needed, yearly revenue, yearly profit. So it's a great way to just kind of run the numbers quickly. You could also go in and manage presets. So you could create custom presets, what your internet, TV, water, sewer, garbage, electric, gas, other would be in that area. So every area will have different utility expenses. Different properties will have different utility expenses. So as you can see, you can tailor everything really how you need it. Mortgage and taxes, same thing. However much you're putting down, the length of time in years, your interest rate, tax, furnishing and closing, same thing, number of bedrooms, cost per bedroom, number of bathrooms, cost per bathroom, living spaces. So again, if you're working with an interior designer, this is really great as well because you can get an average cost per bedroom, per bathroom, per common space where you can start plugging this in and figuring out your average. Closing costs, same thing. So seller credit. So this is a super helpful platform if you're looking to run a lot of numbers really quickly as you're looking at multiple different areas. So how to use this, you're going to go in and you're going to run a new analysis. You're going to do buy to own. So this is for rental. Rental arbitrage is if you don't buy it, you're just renting out from someone else. So this is what it looks like. So we'll go through and run a example, but basically we're going to do an import from Zillow. So we're going to jump over to Zillow. So now that we're in Zillow, we found our example property. Here's a property in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, just for example to see how to run the BNBCalc analysis. So we're going to grab the property. We're going to take that link and we're going to drop it into BNBCalc. But as we see here, it's a 4-bed, 3-bath, 1.1 million. So now that we're back in BNBCalc, we're going to run the analysis. So we're going to hit import from Zillow. We're going to drop the link right in here. So it found the property. It's actually 1.1, so we'll make adjustment. It's 4 bedrooms, it's 3 baths, and it's probably 10 guests. So additional information if you want to put the Zillow link in there. We're going to hit show earnings. So here it found through AirDNA, average daily rate of 381 and average occupancy is 67%. So here's your projected annual revenue. So basically you could see that projected profit year one is 11,000. You could tailor this by month. You could tailor it by year, 5-year, 10-year, things like that. You could also adjust these details. So if you think you're going to get a higher occupancy rate by running the numbers through other systems or a higher average daily rate, then you could tweak everything in there. It has a really good chart table here. As you can see, it says this is a poor return. That's totally fine. This is just example property, but you can see that the return rate, cash on cash return, cap rate, return on investment, ROI. So again, you could drop any of these down and include or uninclude anything you need. Your down payment amount, so 20%, you could tweak this. You could tweak furniture and renovations depending on how much you think you want to allocate, along with your closing costs, same thing. If you're getting a seller credit, purchase price, so you can adjust everything you need to adjust. Estimated tax savings, this is broken down by year, property tax, mortgage interest, bonus depreciation, etc. So these are really great details and information to have as you're running your properties. So this is a super easy way, as you can see, to just run a bunch of properties really quick, get overview analysis, and then if you want to dive deeper and tweak it, you can do it in here, or you can take the details and drop it into a spreadsheet and still do that, especially if you have investors or partners you're working with that like spreadsheets better. But you can also share this via taking the link or sending it to an email so other people can see it who don't have BNBCalc. So again, this is a great platform to use for real estate investors who are trying to run a lot of properties quickly. Thanks for checking out this video on BNBCalc. We're going to leave the link in the description below if you're interested in checking them out for yourself.